So my name is Ryan Johnson-Wilcocks. I am the Apprentice of the Year in the category Sports, Education and Childcare. I worked at B&M for about 8 months in mould, and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted to, but it's a good experience I had there. One day I looked on Indeed and I saw an apprenticeship going in a school and Ysgol Maes y Felin, so I applied for that, and they've been fantastic, all the support I've had from there, and it's definitely helped me, and they've supported me really well into the next pathway into my working career. It gives me that experience on the job as well, so I'm learning on the job, and say if I make some mistakes they can correct me, so they help and support with that as well. It's really good. Sometimes I can self-doubt myself. It normally happens because I just don't want to do anything wrong. I want everything to be perfect, and I try my best every time to make sure that happens. And sometimes I kind of get a bit anxious and self-doubt myself in case I do something wrong. So it's helped me believe in myself more to win this award. It really has. Yes, so for 12 months, from October 2020, I was doing a level 2, and I've done that for 12 months, and now I'm doing a level 3 TA, teaching assistant, and now I will be doing that for another 12 months. So that's really good. Helps me with another higher qualification as well. Feels brilliant. It's really helped my confidence as well, make me believe in myself.